Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, wrote a blog post titled The Intelligence Age, where he talked about artificial intelligence. In the blog post, he talked about what we should expect in the future, where he put it this way. In the next couple of decades, we will be able to do things that would have seemed like magic to our grandparents. This phenomenon is not new, but it will be newly accelerated. People have become dramatically more capable over time. We can already accomplish things now that our predecessors would have believed to be impossible. He shares the future he imagines that AI will bring and displays the abundant prosperity that will come with AI. He puts it this way: with these new abilities, we can have shared prosperity to a degree that seems unimaginable today. In the future, everyone's lives can be better than anyone's life is now. Prosperity alone doesn't necessarily make people happy. There are plenty of miserable rich people, but it would meaningfully improve the lives of people around the world, in his view. And it is worth remembering that he is the originator of the term universal basic income. He views a world where there is excess production, meaning that common people will not lack. Hence UBI, which is short for Universal Basic Income, is a way of thinking about the future of economics and wealth. It aims at a periodic pay for all global citizens, since jobs will be taken away by artificial intelligence. However, there is still much debate on the practicality of the universal basic income method. In his article, he claims that the reason we shall have the age of prosperity is because deep learning worked. Now, those who are not AI gurus may not know what deep learning is. Deep learning is a branch of machine learning, which itself is a branch or artificial intelligence that learns abstract representations of data. That is what is driving the current acceleration of artificial intelligence. He puts it in this manner: how did we get to the doorstep of the next leap in prosperity? In 3 words, deep learning worked. In 15 words, deep learning worked, got predictably better with scale, and we dedicated increasing resources to it. That's really it. Humanity discovered an algorithm that could really, truly learn any distribution of data, or really, the underlying rules that produce any distribution of data. To a shocking degree of precision, the more compute and data available, the better it gets at helping people solve hard problems. I find that no matter how much time I spend thinking about this, I can never really internalize how consequential it is. There are a lot of details we still have to figure out, but it's a mistake to get distracted by any particular challenge. Deep learning works, and we will solve the remaining problems. We can say a lot of things about what may happen next, but the main one is that AI is going to get better with scale, and that will lead to meaningful improvements to the lives of people around the world. Technology brought us from the Stone Age to the Agricultural Age, and then to the Industrial Age. From here, the path to the Intelligence Age is paved with compute, energy, and human will. If we want to put AI into the hands of as many people as possible, we need to drive down the cost of compute and make it abundant, which requires lots of energy and chips. If we don't build enough infrastructure, AI will be a very limited resource that wars get fought over, and that becomes mostly a tool for rich people. As he ends, he talks about job displacement and says how we shall all love the new world with artificial intelligence being everywhere. He puts it this way: many of the jobs we do today would have looked like trifling wastes of time to people a few hundred years ago, but nobody is looking back at the past, wishing they were a lamplighter. If a lamplighter could see the world today, he would think the prosperity all around him was unimaginable. And if we could fast forward 100 years from today, the prosperity all around us would feel just as unimaginable. What do you think about the article? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the consider liking or subscribing for more AI details.